Gentlemen, let me ask you something important. When was the last time you woke up with the kind of strong, confident morning erection you used to have in your 20s or 30s? If your answer made you pause for a moment, stay with me. Today, I'm going to walk you through a simple nighttime routine that men over 50 are using to naturally bring back those firm, reliable morning erections without pills or complicated treatments. I'm Dr. Zara, men's health specialist with over 15 years of clinical experience. On this channel, we talk openly and honestly about real solutions for real men. No embarrassment, no gimmicks, just evidence-based guidance you can actually use. One of the most common questions I get is, Doctor, how can I get my morning wood back naturally? And the good news is that your body isn't failing you. It's simply asking for better support. Morning erections are not just about sexual performance, they're a direct indicator of your overall vascular and hormonal health. When your heart pumps efficiently, when your blood vessels respond properly, when your testosterone rhythm is working the way it should, you wake up with a natural erection. So if those strong mornings are becoming rare, your body is signaling that something needs attention. But the beautiful part is this: most men can improve this with the right nighttime habits. Let's start with one of the most researched natural enhancers for circulation, beetroot powder. And yes, I know what you might be thinking. Beets? Really? But clinical research published in journals like Hypertension and Nitric Oxide Biology shows that beetroot contains natural nitrates that help blood vessels relax and widen. When blood vessels open up like a clear highway instead of a narrow alley, more blood flows exactly where you need it. And when it comes to morning erections, healthy blood flow is the entire foundation. Wanting it is one thing, but without good circulation, nothing happens. Taking beetroot powder at night helps improve blood flow while you sleep, supports tissue repair, and allows you to wake up more responsive and ready. All it takes is 1 teaspoon in warm water, tea, or a smoothie before bed. Next is Maca powder, traditionally grown in high-altitude regions where plants adapt to extreme climates. That resilience is one of the reasons Maca has been used for centuries as a natural booster for energy, stamina, and sexual vitality. Modern studies, including those reviewed in BMC Complementary Medicine, show Maca can support libido, endurance, and overall mood. But here's the key: Maca does not force an erection. It doesn't push your hormones. It helps your body perform the way it's designed to: smoother, stronger, and more consistently. Think of it less like a temporary spark and more like a long-term system upgrade. Even better, Maca helps regulate stress chemistry at night. And stress, gentlemen, is one of the biggest destroyers of morning erections. When your body feels tense or threatened, it prioritizes survival, not sexual function. By calming the system before bed, Maca helps your body shift into repair mode, making morning erections far more likely. The third powerhouse is Ashwagandha, one of the most studied adaptogens in modern men's health. Research from institutions like the Cleveland Clinic highlights its ability to lower cortisol, support sleep quality, and improve male hormone balance. Poor sleep and high stress disrupt testosterone, and without healthy testosterone rhythm, strong morning erections become rare. Ashwagandha helps reset that cycle. So we have 3 tools: beetroot for circulation, maca for drive and stamina, and ashwagandha for stress, hormones, and sleep. Alone, each one helps, but together they work like a coordinated system: blood flow, performance, recovery. Here's the bedtime mix many of my patients use successfully. About 30 minutes before sleep, make a warm drink with 1 teaspoon of beetroot powder, 1 teaspoon of maca powder, and 1 teaspoon of ashwagandha powder. Use water, warm milk, or herbal tea. Add honey or cinnamon if you want better flavor. Then get 7 to 8 hours of sleep and stay consistent. No gym memberships, no expensive gadgets, no trying to be 25 again. Just giving your body the fuel it needs to do what it already knows how to do. Life after 50 doesn't mean losing your spark. It simply means supporting your system more intentionally. Your best mornings are not behind you, they're waiting for the right conditions. When you nourish your circulation, calm your stress, and improve your sleep, your body responds in powerful ways. Do this consistently. Drink more water, move your body daily. Don't overthink it. Small habits create big changes. If this helped you, hit the like button so more men can find this information. Subscribe for honest men's health tips that actually work. And leave a comment saying, "Doc, I want stronger mornings." I read every message. I'm Dr. Zara. Stay strong, stay informed, and I'll see you in the next video.